Learn to read simple words. Let's read this word. Egg. 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 Let's make a ham and egg sandwich. Let's read this word. T-A-G. T-A-G. Tag. Tag. A tag is on the t-shirts. Let's read this word. P-E-G. P-E-G. Pig. Pig. The pig loves to play in the mud. Let's read this word. R-E-G. R-E-G. Rig. Rig. The rig is in the ocean. Let's read this word. G. R. A. M. G. R. A. M. Gr. Am. Gram. She weighed every gram of food before she ate. Let's read this word. G. R. E. M. G. R. E. M. Gr. M. Grim. He had a grim look on his face. Let's read this word. S. M. A. G. S. M. A. G. Sn. Ag. Snag. There's a snag on my dress. Let's read this word. G. R. A. M. D. G. R. A. M. D. Gr. And. Grand. Come with me to the grand opening ceremony.